Okay, wiring is done. Just gotta tidy it all up, some tie wraps, and get it all sorted out. Flip the instrument panel back over. Everything works. And turn on the ignition. And fuel gauge works. Everything lights up. Yellow lights, oil pressure, red lights, alternator. And we've got turn indicators. There's one down there, that's for the upper left. And then we got the other way. That's the right hand turn indicators, the cheeseburger. And we got the wig wag. So I got a wig wag relay in there. And then these work opposite. And I've got lights, which is the white light. It's the white indicator down there. And the light, one of the lights is hooked up. Then I got bright lights. The white light goes out and the blue light comes on. All the instruments are lit red. Got a voltmeter, digital voltmeter there. And got a horn. And it's not connected, it's around here somewhere. It's down there. And windshield wipers. And so it's all working. I turn the lights off. And then turn the lights off. And then turn the ignition off. That's it. So just got some tie wrapping to do. Flip the instrument panel over. It's ready to go. I went with Puckle's idea of a switched auxiliary bus. The bus to the right is for the ignition, and another bus up to the top right is all of the lights. And over here, this bus has a bunch of instruments and other things on it. So I've got everything going to terminals with a lot of fuses, and then a central ground. All the ground wires come there. I don't want to rely on the frame ground, so getting there. Big Group 27 battery. Should be time to put the cab on pretty soon.